With Bika.ai, you can create an intelligent data visualization and analytics platform using dashboards. Dashboards are like flexible containers where you can add modular widgets to uncover multi-dimensional insights and present your data professionally. In just a few minutes, you can build stunning business charts and reports. Creating a dashboard is easy. Simply click the plus button at the top left of your workspace, or use the menu next to any folder to select New Dashboard. Once inside, just click Add Widget to start customizing. Bika.ai currently supports a variety of widgets, including chart, highlight number, text block, pivot table, and even embedded web page, giving you the flexibility to build dynamic, interactive views. You can also drag and resize widgets, adjust their position, reconfigure their settings, and switch to full screen mode for impactful presentations. Imagine presenting your marketing performance, monitoring business KPIs in real time, and empowering your team to make smarter decisions, all with a beautiful, customizable dashboard built in minutes. To learn more, please visit our community or help center.